Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 24th July. And first of all, national news. Indian Railways tweaks emergency quota rules, big relief for common passengers. Delhi's big request to Haryana for better flood management. Bihar voter list revision could cut 23,000 per constituency before election. 1 lakh voters untraceable in Bihar, poll body amid voter roll revision. UK India trade pact, the empire finally shake an equal hand. Big heart, eye on past storm, ex Maldives minister praised India PM. Only 4 of 16 vice presidential elections were won without contest. A daughter of India soon to touch the stars, ISRO government determined. And now, international news. Turkey's first hypersonic ballistic missile launch. Crazy thing, OpenAI's Sam Altman warned of AI voice fraud crisis in banking. Trump liked renaming things. He is not the first to deploy that perk of power. Within our sovereignty, China defended Brahmaputra hydropower project, claimed no downstream damage. Now, sports news. Shubman Gill buoyed in Manchester. Ben Stokes gave India captain fiery send-off. 1 in 16,384, Shubman Gill's Old Trafford Act extended concerning trend for Team India. India great fumes over non-recognition in own country after ECB's honor. East Bengal thrash debutants South United Football Club 5-0 in Durand Cup opener. Now news related to business. Electronic production grew 6-fold during last decade, informed State Minister to Lok Sabha. Oil prices down as investors weigh US-Japan tariff agreement. Infosys Q1 profit up 8.6% to 6,921 crore rupees. Revenue rose 7.5% to rupees 42,279 crore. And that's all in news. Thank you.